Hello, in front of me I've got NAVITEL T787. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Google Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and manage your passes. In Add to Wallet, you can add new passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty, and Gift Card. If you go to Menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, Tap to Pay Setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. Full list of participating banks. And Password Manager. In Password Manager you can save and manage passwords saved to your Google accounts. In your data in Wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet Settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.